Kia ora, I'm Sherry Kinnear and this is the COVID-19 news update for Tuesday. There are 34 COVID deaths to report today, New Zealand's deadliest day of the pandemic, but the spike was not unexpected and there's positive signs numbers are dropping. Speaking to media today, Director of Public Health Dr Caroline Michelnay said the deaths happened over the past 10 days. Some included cases where COVID was discovered after death. She said 27 of the 34 people who had died were aged over 70.
Today, we are sadly reporting the deaths of 34 people with COVID-19, taking our 7-day rolling average of reported deaths to 15. These deaths take the total number of publicly reported deaths with COVID-19 to 303. Sadly, this is not unexpected, and overseas experience shows us the deaths of people with COVID-19, including Omicron, lag reported community cases and hospitalisations.
Meanwhile, there were 17,148 COVID community cases today. The reduction in case numbers was most pronounced in Auckland. More than 4,000 cases were reported in the city last Monday and about 2,300 today. While numbers overall were dropping, there were regional spikes such as in Wellington and Canterbury. There were 842 people in hospital across the motu, 26 in ICU. Michelnay said hospitalisations were expected to increase this week.
So the so-called Mexican wave of cases, we're currently seeing that reflected most in Canterbury, for example. The latest reported case numbers from yesterday show Canterbury and South Canterbury combined have a higher number of cases than the Auckland region. So we're seeing those numbers roll down the country. And the 7-day rolling average for Canterbury is 2,627. This time last week, it was less than that, it was 2,453. So we're seeing these various patterns across the country.
Meanwhile, new figures have highlighted the impact of the outbreak on schools. More than 200,000 children have been staying home from school every day this month during the Omicron surge. Ministry of Education figures show more than 100,000 were learning from home on some days this month, while many others were sick with COVID-19. And that's the latest COVID-19 news. For more and to stay up to date, head to nzherald.co.nz. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. To stay up to date with all the latest news from the New Zealand Herald, click the subscribe button below or check out one of the videos here and head over to nzherald.co.nz for more details on these stories and more.